Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining two crafters in one design, and that's Gloria with Girlie's Cards, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, Melissa with Moe Creations, and I'm also joining More Makes. This is Jillian Norwood Designs, hashtag, and what she wants you to do is to craft all week long and then join her on Saturday and post your designs. And this is my first time joining this this hashtag, so I'm very excited to join. And with two crafters, one design this week, they are challenging to you to use pumpkins. So every week they choose a design element or topic, and this week is pumpkins. So let me show you what I use to make my card. First up, I use the Distressed Edge Rectangles by Cat Scrappiness. I really like these for Halloween cards. I've used them several years now, and eventually I'm going to have to pass on them, but not yet. So I really like these. And I do also have them in the square dies. I'm going to check to see if they have the circles, because I don't have those, and so maybe that'll make me be able to extend my use of this distressed edged dies. I also use these foams from Joann. I've been having this for a while. It's colored foam and it has adhesive on the back. It's really easy to use. It die cuts beautifully. And this was the Little Makers, if you can see that. And like I said, I've been having this for a while, and I just pull out a color that matches whatever I'm using, and I die cut away. Also, I use from Whimsy Stamps these cute little rub-ons. Super cute. I just used one, and I'll show you. And then I also picked up from Whimsy Stamps these super cute quick card fronts. So I saw Crafty Bean here on YouTube. That's Tina. She shared some that she purchased. I'm not sure if she got this design, but when I went on the website and I saw these, and I just had to have them. It took them a while to ship. It was delayed due to the hurricane. You know, they did notify, me and say, your order is running late, which is fine. I'll just use these for next year. So super cute. Let me share with you the other designs in the pack. I just love them. I mean, they're spooky, but they're not super scary. Oh no, that ghost looks kind of scary though, right? And that one too. But I think that I just really love these designs. I don't know. I may not use that one because he's just like really intense to me. But then you get two sheets of sentiments, and you get them on the gray and the black, and then the orange and the black. And you see them here. I think my favorite one on here is 'Tis the Night of Spooky Delights here at the bottom. Super cute. So they have other designs. I will be sharing a card soon with another different design pack that I purchased. And then next year, you'll see more Halloween cards with using these designs and others that I purchased. So let me share the card. So here's the card on my pumpkins. They're kind of spooky pumpkins, but they're still pumpkins. And I just thought this card just, when you look at it, you just think of a fall night, it's almost dark and it's windy and it's chilly. And I just love this. So with the foam, I've noticed that when you cut out smaller items, the foam kind of gets, I guess, smushed a little. And so it's oftentimes, it comes out just a tad bit larger than what you would cut out with paper. So in this instance, when the big one is fine, I didn't have any issues layering it up here on the basil paper that I get from Joann. But the smaller one, it was a little bigger than the die cut paper. And what I had to do was just kind of be sure I chose a color that really didn't scream, hey, I'm bigger than the paper. So I chose the brown, and you can see it a little bit, but it doesn't bother me at all. But And here's the little rub-on that I told you I use. I use that one little spider down there just for a little extra spookiness. So that's my card. So I think I hope to be joining Sapmore Makes more often than I have, because this is my first time. But like I said, it's kind of hard for me to craft through the week. I craft mostly on Saturdays and Sundays, but we'll see. So hope you like the card. Let me know below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.